You guys, we heard Redbull is in town today. It's a Thursday for the Tennessee Knockout. Let's go check this out. If you're new to the channel, we do things around Nashville, including places to see and events. Check out some other videos when you get done with this one. There's where the event is, right there.
Let's see if the right-hand side's any better to Patty Blazuziak. On the right to 111. He's up 1-0. Immediately he jumps out to the lead, Jason White.
Oh, aggressive. And Blazuziak almost goes down on that first. Now watch. Proper. And you got to be careful to not cross any other lane. Blazuziak sideways. But he holds on and takes the win.
So the finish line under that Red Bull.
Here we go.
Yeah. Hey, man. What is that like?
Knights versus Graffunder. The European against the American. Graffunder. It's side by side.
Dead even there. Graffunder going after Knight. Knight in the black gear. Graffunder on the left-hand side.
Fastest and the ninth fastest are qualifying. Graffunder with small lead. Let's go. Here we go to the finish.
Knight with a good start, Jason.
Knight way up on the pegs early, trying to get the edge on Graffunder, the big man from Canada. Knight making a move here on that left lane.
Dead even, folks. What a battle here. Knight not going to go down without fighting. Going to joust his way right in to this third.
There's a shot to get back in it.
Oh, and here comes Knight. We're going to have a battle, folks.
Knight is pulling off an unbelievable comeback because Graffunder's bike has been a problem.
What is going on? They're both having problems. And Knight, who was out of this race, is going to force a third match, Jason White.
Graffunder bike problems. What a comeback. Knight crashes.
He thought it was over. He fell back to very end at the 180. Had to pick the bike up.
He's getting permission to go back to the pit area to try to get the bike fixed. And we might hold on. Go!
Jason down. Riders are on. Almost to the halfway point. Here's the middle part. Literally, that's the only big one. That is a brutal racetrack.
And motorcycles and tires. And Corey Graffunder, what a comeback.
Number 89. Sure go.
Two riders saved. The number 89.
Both of their tires survived. They're going to look back on those and make sure they've got air foam. Gomez again, all
If you're liking this stuff, this action-packed event, please, we would love if you would support the channel. We're on our way to 2,000 by the end of the year. We love these events. We can't do it without your support. Subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Uphill track racer, trying to get it down the dirt bike.
Well, a little bit of a problem there. If there was some snow on the track, he would be the odds-on favorite, but unfortunately,
Over. Oh, the snowmobile racer Cody has a problem. And it's going to give the edge back to Wynn. Cody Webb with the win.
well, Junior on that landing, not on that long though. Cody Webb wants to put a statement on this with Jason Wygant. He's got about a bike. It's fun to watch.
He's just letting it fly right now. Yes, the mistakes. He keeps it in. But here comes Nate and then learns mistakes to win. The young American trying to
Tell you what, guys, this place is packed. This is the event you might want to check out. Stay tuned, and we're coming back with more events from Nashville. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Till next time, see ya.